This is a quick video. I just wanted to quickly say thank you to all the new subscribers and to all existing subscribers as well. I was just sitting here and reading and also looking around as I was listening to some music. Just thinking about the direction that I came from to where I am now and where I'm going. And I know it sounds cliche, but I'll tell anyone, don't give up. My late parents always said that no matter what, the United States is still the country where you can start over. You can make a comeback in your life. Don't ever give up, no matter what nobody say. I'm just looking around, and I remember when I had no furniture, and to be able to look around and see where I've come from, I truly take nothing for granted. Redesign, rebuild, reclaim.